Hi, I'm Ron Paulk. I'm going to give you a link to a video on YouTube exposing you to a saw, a tool that I guarantee you've never seen before. And I'm going to even go out on a limb and say, this is the most impressive tool I've ever seen. I'm absolutely amazed, and I hope to get my hands on one. Now, I have every tool I need. I can build a house from start to finish, and I do it all portable. And so when a new tool comes around, there's just nothing new. I know about every tool out there. So how did I miss this tool? And if I missed it, I know a lot of my viewers missed it. Although I know one did not miss it, because I got this contact from the tool manufacturer, and it basically says that one of my subscribers contacted him and said, hey, you should let Ron Paulk know about your tool so he can share it with his subscribers. And so Jake, the inventor and manufacturer of this saw, contacted me and asked if I was interested. Now, just so you know, I pretty much ignore most of the emails I get about tools that people want me to show on my channel, because I show tools that I chose to use and that I purchased with my own money. Now, sometimes the manufacturer of tools that I already talk about because I already used them in my business will contact me and say, we want to send you this tool. And I'll let you know when they do that. But I just don't randomly use my channel to promote tools. I only promote tools and materials that I have personal experience with and that I believe in. So I get lots and lots of emails, and like I said, I ignore most of them. But you know, he mentioned this, and he mentioned that he had a YouTube video, so I clicked on it. Now, this video is a little over 11 minutes long, and I'm going to put a link to it in the description down below. And let me tell you, you should watch every minute. This is a skill saw, a flush skill saw, but it has not only that, which is great if you're a framer or a remodeler, phenomenal, but cutting out plate, for example, I have a technique where when I'm framing a wall, I take the bottom plate and I cut the bottom of the bottom plate about halfway through with my skill saw before I frame it up, because when I stand it up, I come back later with a Sawzall and I finish that cut at a little bit of an angle because I want that cleared away for the finish. This saw will do it after the fact. It'll cut away subfloor. It has a built-in rip gauge that is part of the foot that flips over. It has a, you know, that blade sticking out there and you think it'd be dangerous, but it's got a fence, a guard that covers it, and it's got thumb retraction when you need to retract it so you don't pin it up. This guy thought of everything, and this tool is not that expensive. I was expecting it to be a lot more than it is. Now, I will give you a warning. The saw is sold on Amazon, but Cud-Z, this company, they sell it on Amazon, and their Amazon store was out of stock. So there is one on there. The only one available when I checked was a third party, and it was 3 times what, almost 3 times, 2.5 times what this guy charges. So don't get that one. It should be, I think, about $490, $500, right in there. And I think is what Jake told me that he sells it for. And that's Jake right there. So I'm going to put a link to this. As soon as Jake gets his inventory back in the Amazon warehouse, I'm going to put a link to his saw in my Amazon store so you'll be able to click right on it. So at the time I'm making this video, it's possible that that link won't be there, but I'll put it in featured tools, and then I'll put it under the normal tool tab as well. So keep checking back for it there. As soon as Jake has them in stock in the Amazon store, I'll have that link. Watch every minute. I think you're going to be impressed. It's got a handle that rotates. so many things. I'm not even going to bother telling you any more about it. Watch the video. I am absolutely impressed. And give Jake's video a like. And if Jake sends me one of these, then I will get a chance to demonstrate it in the shop. And I don't have any framing projects currently, although I am looking to purchase a house to remodel, and this would come in very, very handy. But I do have a good friend that frames a production framer. All he does is frame. And so I might be able to get on one of his jobs, get it in his hands, and get over and get some video of it being used in the field, as well as me just demonstrating it in the shop. So anyway, whether or not I get one, check it out. If you're into any kind of production framing or remodeling, I've never seen anything like it. And this guy obviously is from the field, saw a need, and created the perfect saw. Hey, if you like these videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. When you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell right next to it so you know when I put up a new video. If you want to set up my plans, you can click on any of the plans. You can click on the link right here in this video or in the description down below. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.